It's arrived! My Saviland portable electric nail drill. And just in time, because look at the state of this. I had to take this one off altogether. This one's chipped. That matte top coat was awful. We're never using that again. So let's have us a little unboxing. So this was, I think, £55 or £60 from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. It was on offer, so I'm not sure how much it is normally. Oh, look at this lovely box. Oh, I do like me a bit of packaging. A nice bit of embossing on here. Let's get in. So this is what you would call a mid-range, I think. I did get myself a Temu special, which was £5 I have had a little play with it, but it really doesn't do that much. As soon as you put any pressure on it, it stops working, basically. Oh my goodness. Now there was one that was more of a dark purpley and then into pink, oh wow, oh this is lovely. Can I put it that way? Not knocking the camera just about. Okay, oh this is so nice. I do realise I am probably going to have to charge it before I use it, but I've literally just opened the box. Let's just have, oh, come here, a little look. In fact, to make things easier, yeah, there we go. Okay, so this is like the bit that you charge up, and then this is your drill. It's quite weighty. Not sure if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I suppose when you go up brands and you spend more money, and rather than spending 50 quid you're spending £200, this is probably a lot lighter, isn't it? But it's still very nice. I'm not knocking it. Oh my god, I just love this. Oh, this pearlescent. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, it's got this lovely pinky, greeny, iridescent shine to it. Oh, this is lovely. And oh, we've got our bits here. Sorry about the reflection off the ring light. What else have we got? Oh, I'm just so excited. It's literally just arrived and I'm like filming it straight away. A few more bits and pieces in the box. The charging cable, a brush, that's nice. Some more bits that I have no idea how to use. But I am gonna go and watch, is it Nail Career Education? And there's a lovely woman, I love watching her videos. Let's have a look. No plastic on there. I'm going to pop this video in the Discord straight away. If you are not in our Discord, please go and join. We are sharing our manicures, our tips, our tricks, our swatch sticks. It is so much fun, and I'm spending far too much time chattering to people in Discord when I should probably be doing housework, which I have zero interest in. But there we go. Okay, I've got no idea what I'm doing or what I'm looking at, but these are all the bits. So this was just a very quick video to show you. I'll get this uploaded, I'm going to get it on charge, and we will do a sort of a comparison video on this, my £60 model, and my £5 Temu special. Thank you. I will see you soon. Bye.